Welcome to a new video on my channel. Behind me here is a Maserati Ghibli. I'll put up a few pictures. I purchased this vehicle approximately 3 years ago. It has nearly 409 horsepower and all-wheel drive. This was truly my dream car, one that I was determined to acquire. However, it was insufficient for the journey to Italy because there were just too many faults present. It was probably also a mistake that I didn't return the car. Additionally, I was fortunate enough to win a Maserati Levante at an online auction. It currently has 9,600 kilometers on the odometer. The intention is to put the engine into that specific vehicle.
See you soon, bye.